Welcome back to our exploration of the internal forces that shape our consumer behavior. In our previous lecture, we discussed how learning and memory influences our preferences and choices. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of attitude and persuasion, exploring how our beliefs, opinions, and feelings affect our consumer decisions and how marketers leverage these factors to influence us. Attitudes are learned predispositions to respond to an object, person, or idea in a consistently favorable or unfavorable way. They are complex and multifaceted, consisting of three main components. Cognitive component. This refers to our beliefs and knowledge about the object or issue. For example, we might believe that a particular brand of car is reliable and fuel efficient. Affective component. This refers to our feelings and emotions associated with the object or issue. We might feel excited and happy about a new smartphone or anxious and stressed about a financial decision. Behavioral component. This refers to our intentions to act in a certain way towards the object or issue. We might intend to purchase a product we have a positive attitude towards, or avoid a product we have a negative attitude towards. Persuasion, on the other hand, is the process of changing or reinforcing attitudes through communication. Marketers use various persuasive techniques to influence consumer attitude and behaviors, aiming to create positive associations with their brands and products. There are two main routes to persuasion. Central route. This involves thoughtful consideration of the arguments and evidence presented in a message. It's more effective when consumers are motivated and able to process the information carefully. Peripheral route. This relies on cues that are not directly related to the message, such as attractiveness, credibility, emotional appeal. It is more effective when consumers are not as motivated or able to process the information deeply. Marketers use various persuasive techniques to influence our consumer behavior. Reciprocity. Offering a small gift or favor can create a sense of obligation and increase the likelihood of compliance. Scarcity. Highlighting limited availability or time-sensitive offers can create a sense of urgency and drive demand. Authority. Using experts or credible sources to endorse a product or service can increase its perceived value. Consistency. Encouraging small commitments can lead to large commitments later on, as people strive to maintain consistency in their beliefs and actions. Liking. Creating positive associations with a brand or product through humor, likable characters, or relatable stories can increase its appeal. Consensus. Social proof. Showing the popularity of a product or service can create a sense of social validation and influence others to follow suit. Understanding attitudes and persuasion is crucial for businesses. By crafting effective marketing messages that appeal to both the cognitive and affective components of consumer attitudes, businesses can create positive brand association, influence purchase decisions, and foster long-term customer loyalty. In our next lecture, we will continue our exploration of internal influences on consumer behavior by focusing on the role of personality and self-concept in shaping our preferences and choices.